Hi students, I am very happy to meet you all through YouTube. How are you all? Fine. Or this side or any side, it's full of mathematics. Yes, without mathematics, nothing is there. Okay, wherever you go, be it market or just be it in school or in your neighboring area, whatever may be the situation also, mathematics always come along with us. That's why mathematics is said to be very, very important for all the other studies also. Yes, of course. Suppose if you just start counting any article, how will you start? Just yes, one, two, three, four, and so on. So the counting is the very, very basic things. Everyone we need that. So that is because of the mathematics. And suppose if I ask you to count the number of pens in my hand, how will you start? Yes? Yes, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, there are 7 pens. So like this, not only this, wherever, whatever may be the things, just we see the counting purpose, we always start from 1. Now can you imagine any area of our life without this counting is not applied? No, not at all. So the number is very, very important. And these are all very long ago, the beginning stages, the beginning of this civilization, the human being, they started counting the objects in many different ways. And accordingly, from the thousands of years, we have revolutionized. Now we have come to this modern counting system, what we call the modern number system. Previously, there were no counting systems. And one by one we have developed. And also the number system, what we use in our country is different. And some other places like China and other countries, they used to have some other. Even in our country also, the counting system again, it differs from language to language. So the number system, commonly we are using some certain number system. And about this, we will be discussing something. Yes, our first chapter in mathematics in our class is knowing our numbers. It is not like that we don't know the numbers. We know the numbers. We have been using the numbers. But we should know what about the number systems and what are the different number systems what we are using. Okay, we will try to have some number system in our during this class in this chapter. Yes. Suppose first of all, let me see. Say and see this 4, 5. How will I read this number? What number I have written? Yes, 45. Suppose say 5, 6. What number I have written? 56. So this all we have studied. We have been studying, of course, the numbers and the counting the numbers. We have studied even in the before pre-KGs. Okay, now suppose if I ask you to compare these two. So number is always, it represents the number of objects. Suppose if you have the number of pens, that counts for the number of pens. And if you mention it for the pencil, it stands for number of pencils. And if you refer for the number of trees in a place, it stands for the number of trees in a place. So and so on it is going on. Suppose say there are 45 here and here 56. And out of these two, which one is greater? Yes, I could hear some of you saying that 56 is greater. Yes, you are correct. But how? And that basic we are going to study a little bit. So it's interesting. How? Yes. So how did you find that 56 is greater than 45 And what logic did you apply? Yes, I see saying that. I know, sir, already. Yes, correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We are in the increasing order of the number we have studied, and we are able to see. And what is the logic is, just you'll see the two numbers. And suppose we see 4, 2, 7, another one is 3, 2. Which is greater? Yes, 4 to 7. The logic here, what we apply here, we just see the number of digits. How many digits are used here? 2. How many digits are used here? 2 equal digits. How many digits are used here? 1, 2, 3 digits. How many digits are used here? 2 digits. And when we see that, whenever we have the numbers which has more digit is greater, the symbol also we have studied out of these two. So when we see the numbers with different number of digits, different digits are used, 3 digits are used. Of course, we have studied already what are the digits we have studied, starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the digits. Using these digits only, we make all the numbers in this Indo-Arabic number system. And first case, the number having more digits is greater always. So more digits is greater. Number with more digits is greater. Then here also 2 digits, here also 2 digits. Then what? And when they have the equal number of digits, and we say that what is in the place, 2 place, here one place, here is another place, and one place here, another place, both are equal place. Then how to see here? If you see here, one here you see this one and the same position. If you compare these two, here this digit is greater. 6 is greater than 5. You have seen just by seeing the number of objects. And if you see this one, and if you see this one, here 5 is greater than this one. Now we will not see this one. Or when we have the equal digits of number, the greater position, the digit in the left extreme position. So this one, not this one, and here this one. We'll compare these two. Then which is greater, and that you will say simply greater. Okay, greater sign, you know how to use that sign. So like this we have the comparing the numbers. Whenever this comparing the number, suppose if you see that 2 and this side 5, and here this side 5, this side 3, this side 8, and this side 2. How will you compare this? Okay, what symbol will you use here for these two set of numbers? Which is greater? Yes. And from these two, this is greater. From these two, this number 8 is greater. So the greater, smaller and equal symbol and all, you are all familiar with that. We need not just to go and set this one. So here we see that how we compare the numbers is by, one is by more digits, number having the more digits is greater, and when they have the equal digits, the number with the greater digit in the higher position is greater. Then the higher position, when we see that, which position is higher position? Then how to identify that? That also we have that, suppose if we have that number 1, say 4, 7, 8. How will you read the number? You have learned already. Yes, of course. 4, 7, 8. And in which place is this? It is in ones place, and this is in tens place, and this is in hundreds place. So what do you have in hundreds position? The digit 4. 4 represents 4 items. And what do you have in tens position? 7. It represents 7. And ones place, here 8, it represents 8 items or 8 individuals. And here you see, in ones place, ones, we have 8 ones, like this is 1, 8 ones. And when we have tens, here 7, 7 tens. And the same articles are kept as a bundle of tens, and here each stands for the 10 bundles with 10 each. 10 bundles with tens. The bundles of tens, here 7. Sorry, there are 7 bundles, each having 10 such items. That's why tens. And it means here 400 is in 100 position, and this 4 represents, we have a big bundle of, what is that? 100 that articles, hundreds of this article, or this 10 times of 10 bundles, 10 times of 10 bundles. That's why when you say that every time, this has this time tens, and this has this 10 times. So tens has 10 ones, 100 has 10 tens. Okay, so 4 hundreds and 7 tens and 8 ones. 4 bundles of hundreds, 4 bundles of each 100, 7 bundles of each 10, and 8 ones, 8 individual pieces. And therefore we say that 478. And actually it means here this one, it will be like this. Say 4, how many times? 4 hundreds. 4 hundreds will be there. 4 hundreds. And this one, 7 tens. And this 8 ones. 8 ones. And the number stands for that. This 400 tens plus this 7 10 times plus this one. It's all together, we have that 478 is the number. Okay, clear? So like this only the numbers are getting formed. And when we go for the comparing the any numbers, so compare. Four, 3, 8, 2 and 7, 4, 6, 1. Okay, 7, 4, 6 we have. And let us see how to compare this. Okay, compare means we have to say out of these two, which one is greater or which one is smaller, or are they equal, we have to say. Yes, how to compare this. The first, the logic what we discussed already, you will apply here. Yes, you just try it out. Yes, of course. So here out of these two, 4, 3, 8, 2 and 7, 46. So 4,382 and 746. Here how many digits are there? We need not read the number. We need not know the value, exact value of the number also for comparing. So 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. And here we have 3 digits. What is greater? The one having more digits directly you can have. So of course, the thousands is greater than the hundreds. Yes, this one. Now, will you try another 2? Yes. Be ready? 6, 2, 1 and 7, 8, 3, 4. The next one, 4, 2 and 4, 3. You apply the logic and just find it out. Here you can apply the logic. Yes, you are correct. You have done correct. 3 digits are this side, and here it has 4 digits. So 6, 2, 1 and 7, 8, 3, 4. Out of these two, the one having more number of digits is greater. Then here out of these 4, 2 and here 4, 3, both are having the same number of digits. Then when we have the same number of digits, we will compare the highest place first. What is the highest place here? Tens. And here highest place? Tens. So here, alas, the tens place are also equal. Oh God. Number of digits also equal. and the highest place, 10th place also equal. Then what to do? Yes, what to do? Next place only. Next place will see 2 here. Next place here 3. Then which is greater? That side is greater. Of course, I have taken a very small number so that you will be able to understand the concept and comparing the number, and then the same thing you will be able to apply to the larger, greater number. Have you understood, children? Yes. And this is how we will be comparing the larger numbers. Now I will give you some more numbers to compare and you will have to say. Are you ready? Shall we move? Yes. Jute. Okay. Yes. I'll give time. 1. Yes. Some are ready with that. Let's see. Let's check this and we'll see that. Okay. The first one. Let's see. Which is greater? Both are having the same number of digits. We have to see that the two conditions. First, you have to count the number of digits. Then the one having the more number of digits is greater. Yes. Next, if they have the same number of digits, go to the highest position, check the digits, and whichever is greater, that is greater. Yes. Let's see. And here they have same number of digits, 428 and 374. Same number of digits, 3 digits, 3 digits. Yes. And here we have which one, the highest position, 100th place. 100th place. Which is greater? 4 is greater than 3. And therefore this is greater. You are correct. Let's go to the next one. Here we have 536 and 7481. 3 digits, 4 digits. Which is greater? 4. 4 digit one. Yes, definitely you can directly put. Next one. Here 238182 and 5381. How many digits are here? Count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 digit only. So this one is greater. Yes, you are correct. Next one you see that. Now here we have 34871 and 34672. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, same number of digits. Yes. Then what? Highest position. Highest position here, the leftmost. Even if you don't know the positions also, you can have. Here 3. Here 3. Oh, again. Highest position also same. So the next second highest, 4. Here, oh, second highest is also same. Then what next? Then next only. Then next one is 8 here and here 6. Yes, we have got the greater one. Here we stop. We need not go further. Yes, you could. You are correct. Yes, we can have like this. Suppose if you have another one number, I am giving you 4381 and 4381. What are they? Yes, certainly we get the answer. They are equal. Yes. How did you get equal? Both are having the same number of digits. Highest position equal, next position equal, next position equal. All the digits are equal. Then therefore they are equal. Okay. Now this how we have some number system. Whatever we have that, and the further we will see in the next class. And till then, bye. Okay. Yes.